Hello and welcome to this first special archive programme featuring the very best in vintage overseas steam action from the 1960s and 70s. Today's rail fans may have to travel as far as China or Cuba in search of steam, but not so long ago things were very different. As far as the majority of rail enthusiasts in the UK were concerned, when British steam finished during August 1968, their hobby was effectively dead. Few people in those days had the money, time or the knowledge to travel the world in search of steam.